Hello everyone, Rafi here, and I'm from Coding4Life, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys, as another episode, how to stylize your own your text. So basically, how to make it look cool and fashionable. So we're going to start off with our little scripts, our every needed scripts. And what is this? Lesson 3 actually. Yeah, wow, lesson 3 already. I've done 3 episodes in one day. Just because show how vicious I am. But anyway, so we're going to start off with our body. Now, we're just going to do a quick H1. No, we'll do it please. Can't make my mind up. Okay, so let's just quickly do this off. Okay, so that's all we're gonna do so far. Just quickly save this. Save this. Okay, so it's changed, and we're just gonna save it, and let's run it in Chrome. Now, I said that that these would be red. This is huge. This is red. And this is huge. They're not actually. They're clearly not. But we're gonna change all that. We're gonna change all of that. So I'm uploading my second video. But anyway, so we're gonna change this. So now during the stages of HTML, well, basically we're learning HTML5, and that's the latest model there is in the current time. So today, or in this sort of time period. I don't know what, if you're looking at this, I don't know, 2 years later it may be different, but this is how it is today. Now, before this, so this was before HTML5, so HTML4, 3, 2, 1, whatever there was before that, what, none. But yeah, you have to do style. You can still do this, style equals, and we're just going to do colour. Now, it's spelled colour as in the American way, not colour as in the British way, so you've got to do that. Colour, but you can, write colour normally in the script here. But, so now we've done that, but, sorry, actually not. But so you have to write a colour, you have to write, all you have to do is write, this works for any text where you put text into. So you just do space, style equals, speech marks, and then whatever you want. So first we're going to do colour, colon, red, or whatever colour. You can check this out. Hang on one sec. Load coding. So if you can find, I'll leave a link for this in the description down below. You can see it down below there. It's right there, underneath me, underneath this video. And oh god, where's it gone? Okay, there it is. So as you can see, these are all the colours you can use. There's a lot of them, obviously. So we're going to use, no, we'll use something cool. We'll use chocolate. That just sounds so cool. Sorry, okay, let's change this now. Chocolate. This is chocolate. Maybe I should be a bit more specific. Chocolate. It does Americans spell it wrong. I have not. It's just, this is the way we British people spell it. Just in case you don't know. You probably do know, you're probably smart, but this is the way we spell it. But obviously HTML was made in America, because they make a bunch of stuff. So, yeah. So we're just going to change chocolate. We know the only way we'll know if it works is if it's on here. You won't know, otherwise I just opened up Word by accident. But yeah, so we're going to keep this like that. And that's all we're going to do currently. So we're just going to run it in Chrome again. Oh no, oh thank God. Phew. I'll close my video uploading. There we go. And you can see it's chocolate coloured. Sort of chocolate coloured. Sort of. Kinda. But now, we're going to change it to, and then we're going to put this to huge. We do style equals font size. Then we're going to do 50 px. You can change this 50 to anything you want, but you've got to have the px at the end. Wait for it to load. There it is, and this is huge. This is obviously, you probably saw this before if you rewind the video. This has increased massively. This could be called a header. That just looks a lot smaller compared to that. But yeah. So now some of you may be asking, what if I want to put these two, so this color and this font size together? Well, you simply do semicolon, and then you just type as normal. I'm actually going to make this our base one. So we're just going to cut this one out. So 30, let's change that to 40. And then we're going to add another one called font family. Yeah, that is it. There we go. And we're now to do this, you just got to go to let's go to Chrome again. Okay, for you. Coding, and I'll leave a link for this again. This is another one. W3 is a brilliant site. .org is just a brilliant site because it tells you a lot of the coding language, and yeah. Now I did find out while I was doing another video that you have to use this. You can't, unfortunately, annoyingly, type in these, I don't believe. You just have to type in, for example, serif. I think. You can look it up. I'm not entirely sure, so don't take my word for it, but you just have to copy one of these. So I'm going to do... I don't think all of these are on here. Actually, see, I'm really confused. I think you can type in these, but some of them don't work. So but I'm gonna use, I know what I'm already using. I'm gonna use serif because I like that one. So I'm gonna use sans serif. Yeah, that's the one. Is it sans serif or is it serif sans? There's sans. No, sans serif. Okay, good. Sans serif. Sans serif. Okay. Now that's not all I want to do. I want to also do a text align, and basically that can either be center, right, or left. We're going to put it in the center. Don't worry about these center left, center rights. I'm not 100% sure they work on this on a notepad because I tried it earlier. Didn't really work too great. But yeah, so we've added a lot to this. Not much else I can tell you. Let me just quickly check my amazing Book of Awesomeness. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Book of Awesomeness. We also have a background that we can do. So background color. Now there is background image and all that, but I'm not going to lead you into that because that just takes a lot of time and I'm lazy. So what was the color we chose earlier? I think we chose chocolate, didn't we? Okay, let's choose a really opposing color to that. Okay, so that's chocolate. Let's use something really... Let's use dark green. Why not? That'll stand out. Sorry, that should have a space there. So picky with my neatness. But yeah. Now I don't know if you remember in the last video how we did doing images, but for background color, that's basically essentially what it is. I do believe. If I'm wrong, I'll just do another video on it next video or something because I'm really tired. But anyway, so we're gonna launch it. I didn't save it. Did I save it? I'm not sure. No, I did save it. Okay. Don't worry. Well. See, and there it is. So we've got, this is stylized text, dark green. It's in sans serif because that's the normally, I think it's normally in Times New Roman or something like that. I'm not sure. You can look it up. I'm not sure. It's obviously gotten a lot bigger. It's obviously in the center. So that's pretty much everything we asked it to do. But I mean, say I had loads of these P's. Whoops. Like P. Whoops, no, come on, give me. Oh no, whoops. P. Hello. P. My name is Ravi. That's P. P. This is coding for life. But like, I mean, that's gonna take a long time. I've got to stylize every single one of these to my preference, and unfortunately, that's what you had to do before HTML5 came out. But now, so let's just, I'm gonna oh damn it, I can't copy this annoyingly. No, I can actually. Actually, no, I'm not going to. I'm gonna annoy you guys so much. I'm so sorry. I'm not. I'm gonna Control X it. I can't even copy this. I can't copy this. Work. There we go. Finally control my computer. I'm gonna copy this, but I'm not gonna. Oh, look how far that's decreased. It's amazing. So now, so now this has all gone back to normal. It has, I promise, but I can show you. Because you don't believe me. There you go, it's all gone back to normal. So what we're going to do is in between the slash head and the body, we're going to do our first bit of CSS, cascading style sheet. So we're just going to do style. And then what we're going to do is P, and this is the important part, you do not want a tag here. Thanks, it's just vanished. P, space. Then you want to do this wiggly bracket sort of thing. These are going to be called wiggly brackets. So, triangle, wiggly bracket. But yeah, so you want to do that. Then, what you want to do is, option you can click tab. I like to do that for that, just because it's easier. So now we're going to change everything. So now we're going to do, as if we normally do it, chocolate. And then we're going to do the semicolon. You could do it on the same line, but I just like to keep it neat. What else was there? I'm not going to. Dark green center, sans serif 40. Okay, got it. Okay, no, I didn't forget the first one. I thought I had, but I didn't. Oh god, see, now I'm forgetting. Do spaces, and it's so frustrating me. I have to use spaces, otherwise my work just doesn't feel right. Anyway, sans serif. Oh yeah, and I forgot text line. Obviously, I forgot text line. Oh, what's happened here? There we go. Obviously, I forgot text line because that's the one I will never remember. Text align, and that was center, I believe. Now, quickly, pause the video here. See if you can guess what the mistake is in this. In this part of the script here. Can you guess the mistake? Pause the video now. Okay. It was the fact that I missed the semicolon thing in here. Now, but just because this is the last one, you have to do a semicolon for every single one. So you're just going to close this swirly bracket with the other way. It's like, it's got to open that way as if, and it's got to close that way. So yeah. I hope you can get it. So now if I save it and run it. and it's not gonna work because I forgot this. Oh man, I should have done that as a question. Damn it. You guys are probably happy that I didn't, but oh well. I'm running Chrome, and there you go. It's all gone in nice and thingy-majig. But you see, there's gaps in there. And I don't like gaps. So what I'm gonna do is, this doesn't just work. I can do body. Why you haunt me? And then back. I'm sorry, I'm just getting bored of typing this. Dark green. I forgot the spacing. It will work without a space, but I'm just so picky that I have to have a space. Okay, dark green. I can save it and I want it again in Chrome. It's all gone dark green. And like I said, this doesn't just work for P's, it works for H1 tags. So if I go here and do H1, why are you haunting me? My god, this is gonna kill me. We'll do colour. It's almost opposite to dark green. That was the wrong one. Oh, where's the most opposite to, oh, I closed it, didn't I? What a plonker. Just do yellow. So I see that standing out. Wait, hang on. Dark green. Orange, it's orange, I think. Dark green. Purple, no, it's purple. I think. Oh, that's good. I'll tell you, I'll change it to green. Just make it so it's easy to read. Control S. Now, this is what maybe if you're making a website, which will look cool. See, and that is good. You can see that. You can actually. That's pretty cool, actually. Purple. Hello, my name is Ravi. This is Coding4Life. This is stylized text, and it looks pretty cool because it's contrasting here. You can see that there's contrast. You can see that there. So that is essentially it, guys. I'm not sure what else to say about that. This was pretty simple, I guess, ish, sort of. No, okay. This was how to stylize your text. Hope you guys enjoyed this. My name is Ravi, and I'm Coding4Life. Goodbye.